Hello, welcome to Zulu Woodworks. My name is Caesar. This is
Number 42?
or Harid. Well, the reason why we're making this video is because we want to introduce our new channel. The purpose of this channel is to get familiar with the fundamentals of traditional woodworking tools. We're only going to be using hand tools in the beginning of this channel, and we're going to slowly progress to power tools. With the exception, we're waiting for a brace bit, so we might have to use a power hand drill for now. But for the most part, it's going to be hand tools.
Yes.
We're going to be doing these projects mainly in my workshop, which is not really a workshop that yet. It's just one bench that kind of folds up, nothing fancy, but we're slowly going to increase the things that we could do in there. We're going to make another bench and have a little more of a tool management, because right now we have tools laying everywhere. And I'm slowly buying tools. We have some tools that are coming in, some tools that are ordered, and I'm not using big box stores because I'm trying to find the best deals and tools. So with that said, Harid is going to be the video guy. He's going to be doing all the recording, and the content is going to be from both of us. Another thing that I want to stress is that the reason why we're doing this is that we needed to find a way to bond and spend more time together. I do work. I do have a full-time job, and he goes to school full-time. So this is another way that we can spend some time together and have fun doing it. We will be making small projects, such as small boxes, cutting boards, and also some outdoor projects that's going to take us outdoors. We already have a video out. It was the very first video. We were actually trying out the camera and all that, audio, and you might find it in our channel if you haven't done so already. Of we were cutting some branches off some sort of tree or something. I wasn't really sure what it was, but we'll be doing a little bit indoors, a little bit outdoors, and maybe just some random stuff in between. The goal is to have at least one video a week for now, but it might increase depending on my time, really, and his time.
Yeah.
We're gonna start with basic woodworking things. I'm not a professional. I'm an amateur. I don't have the skills to use most of the tools that I'm getting, like chisels and planers and all that. I have very basic tools. My hands do have calluses, but that's because of my normal job. But for the most part, I don't have the muscle memory like a professional woodworker would have with certain tools and certain techniques. So everything's going to be new to me. And if I mess up along the way, I'm pretty sure I'll be corrected, and I'll take any criticism, constructive criticism, obviously, and I'll take it with me and I'll run with it. So our first project that we're doing, they're called the Woodsman crayons, and you can see a video of it already posted, and there's more to come. Woodsman crayons are pretty much a crayon that's made from a branch, and then we stuff a crayon on the end of it, sharpen it up, and it looks like a big fat crayon. Along with the crayons, we're going to make a small box where we're going to put the crayons inside. We're gonna try to sell it. Even if we get some money, it doesn't matter what we get. It's just the point of these videos are not to make money at all, just to have fun. And if we do get some money out of it, then that's great. We're gonna split up the money. We're gonna go 50-50. He's gonna take his half and hopefully put it towards buying something that he needs, or like I told him, put it towards a college fund or something. And I'm gonna take my half and I'm gonna put it towards making more video contents and buying some more tools, because I know there's a lot of tools out there. Mm-hmm. So with that said, I'd like to welcome you to our channel, and I'll see you later. Bye.